Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to report someone else's Facebook account. If your friend's Facebook account has been hacked or anything and you want to report it, then this video is for you. To do so, first of all, open your Facebook application and on the searching bar, search for your friend's Facebook account in which you want to do report. From there, go through that profile and hit on the three dots. Now there you will see an option of report profile. Hit on that and then select something about this profile. Now choose the option accordingly. Now once you select all of the problem, the report will be generated. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.